It's already assembled. Yes, I just assembled it today. So we are going to try the SKYRC Furiax, the Super Agile. Okay, now I am going to run it without a pinion, so you know the motor sound. How is it, good or bad? You decide it. Okay. I'm not going to put any load on the rotor, so let's find it out. I'm going to turn on my receiver first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Using service XX. Okay, here we go. On. Here we go. It's on. Wow. Okay, what do you think, guys, about this Furiax 13.5? So I have the two versions, the 10.5 and the 13.5. Turn it off first. Okay, after this I will try inside my apartment first. I think that's it. That's enough for now. I will try more after this in a separate video, so it will be more satisfied. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, drop any comments or anything you like.